The best part is that you can do it all with just a smartphone or a computer in just a few minutes. You may start earning money online and withdraw money instantly with PayPal bank transfer, Bitcoin, Payoneer Cash, and other methods. Imagine that you could make $2 by clicking a button and watching a short video. Imagine that you could repeat the process and make anywhere from $10 to $200. So make sure to stick around until the finish to learn about all of these 5 websites and applications that will help you raise your profits. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below to be notified every time I release a new video. The first website where I'd like to demonstrate how to get money online by only viewing videos is FeaturePoints. This software is accessible globally and can be downloaded for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Peek at this website, which has been around since 2012. The fastest, easiest, and highest paying job on this website is watching money-making videos, so in this video, we'll just focus on that. If you want to sign up, just enter your email address below and click Sign Up Now. You can do this on your phone or computer. Now, if you pay close attention, I'll log into my account and show you exactly how I'm doing it before you go ahead and try it out for yourself. I still make money every day, and all I have to do is play the video in the background on both my computer and my phone. I don't have to touch it, and I don't even have to watch the video. All I have to do is leave it running in the background. Now let me tell you a bonus method that you may use if you have many desktops or mobile devices. Use them all to open multiple browser tabs and watch multiple videos at the same time. Now I normally use Google Chrome, but the best part is that it's completely passive in the sense that I don't have to do any manual labor, and anyone can simply click play and watch a video without any prior knowledge. If you stick with me until the end, I'll show you a few more websites and programs. Because the video is still playing, I can continue to earn money passively, and you know how quickly the money adds up. Now I'll show you the second software that enables you to generate money just by viewing movies. When all of this is combined, you can make double, triple, 4 or 5 times as much money even faster. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the videos so far, and if you found this video to be interesting and useful, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now is the time to return to work and start making money. The second app is called AppNana. You can download it on your iOS or Android phone and use it to play games, complete surveys, and watch videos, among other things. The point system they're utilizing here is called Nana's Point. As you can see, you get Nana points, which you can then convert and cash out using PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and a variety of other options. Now you can essentially turn those Nana points into real money. Additionally, by taking part in the referral program, you can make money. You may sign up by just clicking this link, which will take you to a page where you can enter all of your information. It's really that easy, and you can share the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other social media site. Now let's move on to the third website, MyPoints, which I like because they offer a 10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like the fact that when you sign up for free, you get 10 welcome bonus right away without having to do anything? This is simply incredible. All you have to do is enter your email address and password and click this Sign Up button. Let me now introduce you to app number 4, called App Trailers. This app has been quite popular for many years, and they regularly update and release new versions. If you're reading this right now, you should be happy because they recently released an update that allows you to watch videos while earning money. This is a great opportunity because the older version would only pay you a small amount of money, but right now they're going to pay you much more money than they did. This is a fantastic grade, considering that many apps only get 3 stars, and this one gets more than that. There has been a lot of nice feedback from the users. Next, we'll move on to the final app creation rewards, which once more offers a $5 sign-up bonus by merely watching videos. I recommend that you watch at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time so that you can make a lot more money in a shorter amount of time. However, I would want to point out that this app has been operating since 2000, which is a considerable amount of time, and that they have been paying their customers for 18 years. You can conduct a number of tasks using this app, including paid surveys. Watch videos, visit websites, shop online, complete offers, and refer friends and family. At the moment, I spend the majority of my time watching videos and occasionally visiting websites. All of these tasks are fairly simple, even if you have no prior experience. However, one word of warning. Please refrain from attempting to complete the survey on this website because it will be a complete waste of time and pay very little money. I personally tried it, so just focus on watching videos. If you enjoy it, I'd recommend completing offers related to visiting and browsing websites. If you want to earn more money, there are many different large and well-known companies in one single app. Make sure to click that to receive your daily bonuses, since they give you a bonus extra money every time or every morning you log into your dashboard, so make sure you log in every day. Because if you do this for 30 days straight for a month, they will send you a lot more videos to watch, enabling you to earn even more bonus money. That's all. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other content, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.